Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing good. It's me Ershad. Today I'm going to Burj Khalifa Dubai Mall using metro. Metro is best and easy option to reach Dubai Mall and Burj Khalifa because sometimes you might get into traffic if you go by car. If you have not seen my videos how to travel in metro, please click the link and check in description. You have to take the red line metro for Dubai Mall and Burj Khalifa.
المحطة القادمة هي أبراج الإمارات. The next station is Emirates Towers. المحطة القادمة هي برج خليفة دبي مول. The next station is Burj Khalifa Dubai Mall.
After getting down from metro, if you go straight, you will end up in Dubai Mall, and if you go right, you will end up in downtown area. So I am going by Dubai Mall today, so we'll go this way. After walking a bit, finally we are coming closer to Burj Khalifa. Finally I am inside Dubai Mall now. These sellers are inviting all the people to visit their store. Here things are a bit expensive compared to outside. You can get the same thing in less price at supermarket. If you want to buy gift items with less price from Dubai, make sure to watch this gift village video. Link in the description. Dubai Mall is the most visited shopping center globally and the biggest mall in world. You can explore a lot of things in this mall and you won't be able to see it all in one day. type of device with map you will get to see in every tourist place in Dubai, and it helps a lot, especially if you are a visitor. I am out now from Dubai Mall. You can see the view. It looks awesome. It is the world's tallest structure with a total height of 829.8 meter. There are so many people from different countries coming to Dubai just to see this. This place mostly used for movie promotion. The fountain show has
Just look straight into the camera, please. Look into the camera.
After watching all the shows, heading towards Underwater Zoo and Aquarium. It is one of the largest in the world and it has 10 million liter tank. It has 33,000 aquatic animals including sharks. You can dive into and enjoy the experience. It is 24-meter tall and it has circular shape and it has diameter over 30 meters. Finally, it's time to eat. Albeit tasty and delicious. It was a great day today, and after having food, finally returning back. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Please like, share and subscribe.